Okay, using the new quant system, how would both of you personally use it to maximize your gains, including profit taking? Would you play the long game or short trades? Very, very good question. Very good question. So, for example, I'll just tell you, as I mentioned earlier, what I'm currently doing. So currently I'm using the quant grade for the quarterly, to kind of figure out what to do. And as I showed here, it's very bullish on synthetics. So I was already trading synthetics a few months back because the price prediction was bullish on it. Then the market crashed. I basically just hodled it. So it was basically a trade that turned into a hodl, a first hodl, because I figured the market would bounce back. But once I saw the quant rate was bullish on synthetics, I said, you know what? Let me hold on to it. So right now I'm going to keep SNX. I'm actively staking this on Sushi. So if you go to Sushi Swap, so now basically it's kind of a, I would say a medium term investment or trade. Let me see if I can. Okay, it looks like I got to unlock my wallet here. Just give me 1 second. Right, so I just came here and there was a farm, right, at SNX ETH, right? So basically I deposited here on SushiSwap, and now because this is something that's rated highly based on the grade, I feel comfortable holding this for some time. I'm not sure exactly how long I'll hold this. I'll probably keep it until the rating dips and it's not good to hold it anymore. But I think that's the beauty of having the quant grade, right? Because I can come here and can basically customize it based on the time horizon, right? So actually, I'm sorry, quant grade likes it for somebody who's holding for a month. Quarter is also decent, but actually yearly, if you plan to hold for a year or longer, it likes SNX based off of that, right? So I'm basically looking at this as everything is bullish right now. Basically, it's kind of at a low. And then we also have Bill on our team. Bill, maybe kind of pull up SNX and let's check the TA.
Sure. Okay, so can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay, so with synthetics, we're noticing that, you know, it's currently in take a breather mode. Okay. And I think that there's decent support right around 482, right? These are various clusters of activity. This is where synthetics broke down from here. Okay. Synthetics stopped at this level here, and it took off from this same level right here. Okay. So based on our quant grade, I would expect to see buyers in synthetics come in around 5. You have to give it a little time to consolidate. It has done a 1x. Okay. But there's going to be a consolidation around 5. And I think that that's where buyers are going to come in. So it's November 24th. This is basically a daily chart. And the way you want to play these quant grade coins is, you know, if they've initially moved, I think the quant grade allows you to have confidence that you can start accumulating on dips. Okay. Because that's the ultimate test in crypto, right? Everybody can buy something when it's not doing anything and then watch it go up. But the question is, can you buy the dips? Because in crypto, all the dips are scary, right? And that's how bull markets work. So I think the quant grade can give you confidence that when you see a dip on a chart, you're like, ooh, big red candle, you know, scary. No, not anymore.
Yeah.
Now,
go ahead. Sorry.
Okay. So, you know, back to the question, you know, how are you going to primarily use this? You know, I want to use it as like a long only type of play where, you know, I'm looking to buy stuff and then hold on to it. Now, if you do that, and then all of a sudden the quant grade drops or it drops out of one of our portfolios, all right, that might be a signal that it's time to take profits, particularly if you're a shorter term trader. Okay. So when quant grades change, and then that moves a coin in or out of a portfolio, particularly out, okay, that can be the time to take profits, particularly if you're a short-term trader. Now, if you're a longer-term trader and you're watching a portfolio that's developed by our quant grades, and that portfolio suddenly moves 60 to 70% into stable coins, that's a warning of like what I would call an intermediate term top, where you might want to get out of the way for a month. So watching our quant grades by themselves can help you pick coins. And then watching our quant grades and the portfolios that they create can help you not only with individual coins, but market timing for both longs, like, hey, this just came into an index, let's buy it. Or, hey, this just left an index, maybe it's time to take profits.
All right. Thank you, Bill. So be sure to go to tokenmetrics.com and subscribe and get the quant grade. It's launching on Black Friday, so that's the best time to get it.